The forest, a rich, vibrant world filled with life. From the towering trees that reach for the sky to the leafy undergrowth below, this ecosystem is home to some of the most incredible and diverse wild animals on Earth. Today, we'll explore the inhabitants of this untamed world, each with their unique traits and survival strategies. Among the most iconic of forest predators are the big cats. Tigers, with their powerful build and striped coats, reign as the top predators in many forests of Asia. These majestic animals rely on their stealth and strength to hunt prey like deer and wild boar. Leopards, on the other hand, are master climbers. Often found resting in trees, they use their agility and speed to catch a wide variety of prey. Both tigers and leopards are critical in maintaining the balance of life in the forest. Not all forest dwellers are predators. Herbivores like deer, antelope, and elephants play an equally important role in the ecosystem. Their feeding habits help shape the landscape, making way for new growth and supporting the food web. Elephants, often called the gardeners of the forest, help maintain the balance by spreading seeds and creating pathways through dense vegetation. Without them, many species of trees and plants would struggle to survive. High in the treetops, primates like monkeys and apes move with incredible agility. Their social structures are complex, with strong family bonds and communication systems that are essential for survival. Chimpanzees, one of the closest relatives to humans, use tools to forage and exhibit remarkable intelligence. In the forests of Africa, they play, learn, and teach one another in ways that mirror human behavior. The forest canopy is alive with the calls and songs of birds. Parrots, with their brilliant plumage and vocal calls, move through the trees in search of fruits and seeds. Toucans, with their large, colorful beaks, are among the most striking birds found in tropical forests. Predatory birds like eagles and hawks patrol the skies, using their keen vision to spot prey from high above. Their presence keeps the populations of smaller animals in check, maintaining the balance of life in the forest. Closer to the forest floor, reptiles and amphibians thrive in the humid environment. Snakes like the deadly cobra and the massive anaconda are masters of stealth, relying on their camouflage to ambush prey. Frogs and toads are often heard before they're seen, their croaks echoing through the forest after a rain. Many species of frogs are brightly colored, a warning to predators of their toxicity. Butterflies and bees with their vibrant wings pollinate flowers, ensuring the reproduction of countless plant species. Without them, the forest would lose much of its biodiversity. Though they may be small, insects are vital to the health of the forest. Ants, often called the workers of the forest, build complex colonies underground and play a major role in breaking down organic matter, helping to enrich the soil. Come on. While the forest is full of life, it is also under threat. Deforestation, poaching, and climate change are having a devastating impact on wildlife populations. Many species, like the orangutan and the Amur leopard, are critically endangered due to habitat loss. But conservation efforts are underway around the world. Protected areas, wildlife corridors, and reforestation projects are helping to restore and preserve these vital ecosystems for future generations. The forest is a living, breathing community of animals, plants, and microorganisms, all interconnected in a delicate balance. Every creature, from the tiniest insect to the largest predator, plays a role in maintaining the health and beauty of this natural world. It is our responsibility to protect it so the wild animals of the forest can continue to thrive for generations to come. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos on the world around us. Bye-bye. See you next time.